This job is gone. That one's next. And yours? It depends on what you do in the next 60 seconds. A 23-year-old just banked $100,000 selling Notion templates. A San Francisco lawyer lost her desk to an AI that drafts contracts in seconds. A cashier, 9 years on the job, was replaced by 6 self-checkout lanes overnight. Peter Diamandis warned, "We'll see more change in the next 10 years than in the last 100. Not a prediction, your calendar invite for tomorrow." So if your job vanished today, what skill would still pay your rent? Some jobs aren't at risk. They're extinct. Travel agents, toll booth workers, typists. Blockbuster had 9,000 stores, now 0. Netflix took over. And now even Netflix writers face ChatGPT rewrites. General Eric Shinseki said, "If you don't like change, you'll like irrelevance even less." Translation? Don't grab the rearview mirror, grab the steering wheel. Quick litmus test. If your work is a checklist, an AI can do it cheaper. Next in line, paralegals, entry-level coders, social media assistants, junior accountants, basic designers. Chess legend Garry Kasparov nailed it. AI won't replace you. Someone using AI will. Can Google solve 80% of your daily tasks? Then you're already 80% replaceable. While old doors slam shut, new ones swing wide. Prompt engineers, $335,000 salaries. No-code app builders. AI model trainers, climate risk analysts, crypto tax advisors. Futurist William Gibson said, "The future is already here. It's just not evenly distributed." Your mission: move to the side where the future's paying rent. McKinsey predicts up to 800 million jobs automated by 2030. Yet 55% of Gen Z already learn career skills on YouTube, not in class. A 17-year-old in Nigeria grosses $3,200 per month managing TikTok pages. A laid-off factory worker in Wisconsin is now a 6-figure AI workflow coach, 18 months, all self-taught. Speed of learning now beats pedigree. In your 20s, experiment daily, skill stack. In your 30s, pivot hard. Build income streams that wake up before you do. In your 40s, package knowledge, consult, publish, teach. In your 50s plus, don't retire. Reinvent. Convert decades of wisdom into online courses, advisory gigs, or mastermind groups. Alvin Toffler warned, the illiterate of the 21st century aren't those who can't read, but those who can't learn, unlearn, relearn. Sarah, 38th HR job, cut during COVID, zero tech resume. She binge-watched Canva and Shopify tutorials, built a microsite for a local bakery, word spread. In 18 months, she replaced and then doubled her old salary, all remote. Her secret? She stopped waiting for a boss to pick her. She picked herself. Pause this video, grab a pen, write 3 skills you learned in the last year that actually make money. Stuck? That's your wake up. Modern winners follow one loop: watch, apply, share, monetize. Eric Hoffer said, "In times of drastic change, learners inherit the future." In 6 months, someone learning AI tools today will out-earn someone ignoring them. In 12, they might replace them. Warren Buffett's billion-dollar advice: the best investment you can make is in yourself. Stick till the end. I'll reveal the single most underrated skill billionaires are obsessing over right now. David, 54th retail chain shuttered. Resume black hole. Found a YouTube playlist on remote project coordination. Certified on a $39 Udemy course. First client in 30 days. 12 months later, he runs 3 retainer gigs from a spare bedroom and hikes at noon. Reinvention doesn't care about age, it rewards action. Do nothing, and nothing changes. But today, nothing costs more than ever. Lost income, lost time, lost relevance. Standing still in a moving world is sprinting backward. The world won't ask if you're ready. It will move on without you. If this video woke you up, share it with one person you care about. Because no one's coming to save us. We save each other. Whether you're 16 or 60, the next move is yours. Yes, it's always good to start early, But it's never too late to learn. Start early. Think sharp. Learn right. That's your clear path.